This week for our product review, NomadiQ.
When it comes to cooking outdoors, I've tried about everything, from charcoal grills to gas grills, even electric grills, and even cooking over a campfire.
Good, nice and tasty.
So when we came across the NomadiQ at the Raleigh RV show, we just had to give it a try.
You see we got chicken going already.
We are breaking in the NomadiQ. As you can see, it runs off of a portable propane tank.
When it comes to portable grills, you want something that doesn't take up a lot of space, something that cooks the food well, is easy to use, and easy to clean up. Okay, for the sake of better sound quality, I'm going to talk about the NomadiQ right here inside my camper. I'm not going to grill anything. I'm not going to ignite the grill or anything. I just want to talk about the NomadiQ grill. This is not a sponsor. They did not give us this. We purchased this at an RV show. We tried it out and we have some things to say about it. It's mostly really good. The NomadiQ comes with this nice cover that you put on it. It's very compact, very small. For the cooking surface that this thing has, it compacts very easily, which is great when it comes to camping because every inch matters in a camper. So, the things that I like about the NomadiQ, first of all, like I said, it's very compact. This thing opens up, but when it's in this position, it will not open. It will not open accidentally. You have to take these locks on both sides and pull them out and twist them. Then you also have to pull out the stand on the bottom before this thing will pull up and expand. Now when this thing does expand, you can see it's got a great cooking surface right here with dual controls, so you can cook something really high heat on this side and something really low heat on this side. It really uses very little propane. In fact, we bought this 1 little pound bottle of propane. We cooked an entire meal on this and there's plenty left in this propane bottle for another grill out that we could use it again. So this is very energy efficient as far as the use of propane. And you can get these little bottles here at Walmart for $5. So if you want to grill using these anywhere, or they've also got the attachment where you can hook it up to your camper if you've got a grill hookup. That is really awesome about this. The grates here are very easy to clean. They're non-stick surface. They come right out so easy. As you can see, it's non-stick surface, easy to clean. The only con that I can tell about this grill is that there's no lid of any kind to put on it. You know how it is when you're grilling and it's a really windy day. A lot of the heat that you're cooking with gets blown away. So your food takes longer to cook if you're in a windy situation. which is why it's a good thing to have a lid sometimes. But what I've done is I can put like one of the aluminum pans over top of something like my burgers or something like that, and keep the wind away from it that way, and not have to worry about the heat being blown away. The igniter here ignites on the very first try. I've never had a problem with lighting this thing. It's got two hookups right here where you screw in the attachment for the propane. One thing that I have noticed is that it's good to have a pair of pliers or a wrench of some kind to make sure that these are nice and snug in there. You can try and do it with your fingers, but it was way too much for me because I couldn't get in there with my hand to turn these attachments real good. I needed to have a set of pliers to get them in there really good and tight. And once they were in there good and tight, everything worked fine. I love it. I will say that this is going to probably be our new go-to. This can go with us right out to the beach. This thing compacts so nice that you can carry it out to the beach with you along with your beach chairs. So it's very lightweight, very compact, and it folds up really nicely. It does come with lots of accessories, and there's other accessories that are available online that you can get at the NomadiQ.com.
So it looks like the chicken is finally done. Even though the flame on this NomadiQ is not very high, it does seem to be cooking everything very thoroughly. Even going through this cast iron griddle that we have, that I decided to use. I decided to put this on here so I wouldn't have to clean the grill anytime soon, because we're going to be packing it right back up to go to the next place. And so by using this griddle, I can just take this thing off and wash it, and everything is fine. And this looks good. They're all done. It heated everything up very well, and not a single thing got on this grill. So
Yay!
I can just pack this thing right back up and move to the next place, and I can have this ready to use next time. I would love to use this out on the beach.
Well, let's have some dinner.
And
Well, that's it for our product review. I love this little cover that you can get on here. Makes it look like it's wearing a tuxedo.